Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the poem Indian Summer by Jayantha Mahaputra, the great Indian poet. Before discussing about poet, I will give you my introduction. I am Rajni Meena, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government College, Rawatwata. चलिए पोएम के बारे में थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन डिस्कस करते हैं. द पोएम इंडियन समर was first published in a Reign of Rights collection in 1976. This is about Mahapatra's vision is basically tragic, and his pessimism and sobre outlook may be accounted for his keen sense of the suffering of Indian masses. His dominant concern is the vision of grief, loss, dejection and rejection. Let's start the poem. Over the soughing of the sombre wind. Here the poem offers a few pictures which are by no means interconnected, though they are all supposed to be pictures of a phenomenon which are supposed to occur in this country. First picture is of a morning wind blowing and producing morning sound. Obviously, this is an audio visual picture. Priests chant louder than ever. The mouth of India opens. In these lines, the picture of priest chanting louder than before, and thus indicating that it is India's mouth which has opened and which is recited sacred verse. The mouth of India opens may be suggestive of the widespread hunger and starvation in India. Crocodiles move into deeper waters. Crocodiles, which are the tropical creature, feel tormented by the oppressive heat of the Indian summer. They move into deeper water to get relief. The good wife lies on my bed through the long afternoon, dreaming still not exhausted by the deep roar of funeral pyres. In these lines, the poet wants to say that the sun of Indian summer is already troublesome, and smoldering heaps of rubbish have made the heat too intolerable to stand near them or pass by the heap of rubbish or refuse point to the dirt and dust for which India is sometimes known. Next picture है about a good wife who is lying in a bed with the protagonist. The long hot afternoon of Indian summer has not exhausted her. She continues living in her dreams about past and future. This picture brings out patient and stoic nature of Indian woman. This picture also presents an Indian ritual in the last lines, in which dead are burnt, and during the summer the funeral pyres burn with crackling sounds. The Indian women take the death stoically. Thus, the poet Jayant Mahapatra tries to describe about Indian pictures in different ways, that the morning wind is blowing, priest chant their verses louder more than before. The mouth of India opened and recited sacred verses. Crocodiles move into deeper water for getting some relief from summer. An Indian housewife, after doing his household works in summer afternoon, lies on the bed for some relaxation. Even though she does not exhausted through his household works. And the last picture of a death funeral fire that is burning. इस प्रकार से जो जयंत महापात्रा पोइट है उसने सभी अलग अलग पिक्चर्स क्रिएट की है और अपनी थीम को उनके अंदर रखा है. थैंक यू.